Alright, here we go. Got a little competition of the 45 long Colt. Shooting through the pistolero at about 10-15 yards, somewhere right in there. Deep penetration. We're going to see which one of these goes further into the wood. We'll be shooting the Winchester Cowboy Action first, the lead slug, and then we'll be doing the Hornady Critical Defense second. So y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down. Alright, we don't have a clean pass-through. We did have the second board get knocked out twice, split. So we got the 45, the Cowboy up front, up top, and the Critical Defense down low. We'll take this back to the Hacienda HQ command and see what we get on this deep penetration competition. Woohoo! Yeah, it's a little chilly out here. It's like 68 degrees. All right, here we go. We got the deep penetration little competition between the 45 Colt, the Cowboy Action, Winchesters, and the Hornady Critical Defense. Now, I just got to make sure when I'm splitting the boards apart, this is the Winchester, that is the Critical Defense. Right there. Let's see which one punched a little bit further. Alright, board number one. Alright, we got, that is a big, definitely a noticeable difference between the solid lead slug and the basically a jacketed hollow point with a little, whatchamacallit thing in there. There you go, right there. Let's go for two. We're still, well, here we go. That right there, I guess that's the slug right there, in there. First board going in. So we got the Winchester solid lead slug, just barely making it into the first board. I guess it punched, but it bounced back. Looking at this, we still got the Hornady Critical Defense still making its way through. Critical Defense. And there we go. We got kind of a ding down here, but it's not a pass-through. So the Critical Defense is right there. Look at that. Not much, not a whole lot going on. That wood pinched it off instead of pushing it out. So the Critical Defense went 1, 2, almost 2, 3. Just didn't cut it. Right there. And the big Cowboy slug went into the first one. That's a penetration there. We're going to call it that because it definitely made an indentation there. So it went through one and into the second board. But there we go. Upon review, splitting this board open, that Cowboy slug is not in there. You know what? When that shot, y'all see here, when it split that second board, I think it bounced out. All right, so that's what happened on the when that popped back on the shot. They all just seen the replay on. I'm guessing that just flew off, bounced out of there. All right, so here we go. It's as well, we got the Cowboy load, punched through the first one, and hit into the second one. That board split on the shot, and I guess the slug bounced out. And then on the second shot, we had this one going through 1, 2, 3, making it into the third, almost making it into the punching through complete on the third, but just barely fell short from doing a 3 pass through. I'm not even gonna, because there ain't that pinched off. There ain't no point on even doing anything. We're just gonna do that. There you go. Hitting the boards, kept it the same. Time to size it and reload it.